Welcome to the introductory video of our comprehensive online course on ChatGPT. In this course, we will guide you through all important aspects of using ChatGPT effectively. This course is designed to help you to get most out of this powerful language model. Let's have a look on the topics covered in this course. The first is sign up process. You will see how easy and quick is the signing up process. Then we will move towards one of the fascinating aspects of ChatGPT, which is its capability to adapt to different tones and styles. In this course we will show you how to change the tone of your conversation with the language model. Whether you want a professional, friendly, or even humorous tone, we will show you the techniques to achieve the desired effect. Next, we will dive into the world of prompts. We will start with the basics, teaching you how to craft effective prompts that yield accurate and meaningful response. You will learn the art of asking the right questions and providing context to guide the model responses. And then we will explore more advanced techniques to fine-tune your prompts for even better results. By the end of the course, we will share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your ChatGPT experience. After completing this course, you will have a deep understanding of ChatGPT capabilities and be equipped with skills to leverage its power effectively. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT? Enroll now and embark on this exciting learning journey with us. If you already joined the course, let's get started. In this video you will learn how you can create an account with ChatGPT. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you must create an account with it. So, for this just open your favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome here. And simply type ChatGPT. Open the first link, that is openai.com. This is the official website for ChatGPT. And here you have to click on Try ChatGPT. OK. Now here you have two options: login or sign up. We will proceed with sign up. Here you have to type your email address. Click on Continue. Now here you have to type the password. Click on Continue. Now you will receive a verification link on your email address. So you have to verify your email ID. OK. So just open Gmail. Sign in with the same Gmail address as you have provided here. OK. It's asking for the OTP. OK. Here we have the Verify Your Email. Click on this button. OK, now it's asking for first name and last name. Provide your date of birth. Now here you have to verify your phone number. OK. Now click on Send Code via SMS. Once you enter the code, you have to again go to ChatGPT because now your account is ready to use. Click on Try ChatGPT now here. This time we will proceed with login because now we have an account with ChatGPT. So let me enter email address and password. OK. we have to click on Next. Again. Next. And done. Okay, so here is the interface of ChatGPT. Now in the next video, we will discuss about its interface and features. Before we start working with ChatGPT, you must understand its interface. So first of all, you can see here a new chat option. So whenever you want to start a new chat with ChatGPT, you can use this feature. Okay. And if you want to see the history, you can see here a list of all the things you have searched previously. Okay, now here you can see upgrade to Plus plan. So how it is different from free plan? Right now I am using a free plan. Okay, so if you upgrade to the Plus plan you have to pay $20 per month. Okay. And for that you will get ChatGPT available even when demand is high, right? You will get faster response speed and priority access to new features. Okay, but for now I will proceed with the free plan. Then here you can see the help and recently asked OK, frequently asked question and answers. See. OK. So then you have clear conversations. If you want to delete the things, delete your conversations, you can do that. Then you have settings and logout options. So if you go to settings you can see the general settings like clearing chats and selecting the theme. If whether you want a dark theme or light theme, okay. Now the default is system. Then you have data controls, okay. You can read them if you want. You can also enable two-factor authentication. You can delete your account. You can export the data. Now here you can see some of the examples that how you can ask questions to ChatGPT. So if you select any one right and hit enter, ChatGPT will start answering to it. Okay. So these are some of the examples. Then we have the capabilities of ChatGPT, that what ChatGPT can do, right? So it remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. It allows users to provide follow-up corrections and it is trained to decline inappropriate requests. So if you ask any malicious thing, ChatGPT will not going to respond to it. Okay. Now ChatGPT will also have some limitations, like it may occasionally generate incorrect information. After all, it is an AI and it may occasionally produce harmful instructions. Okay, so it is not a good idea to blindly trust ChatGPT. Then it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021 because it was last updated in 2021. Okay, so let me give you an example. If we ask ChatGPT versus Google Bard, who is better? See, it says if you are referring to another AI model developed by Google that I am not aware of, please let me know. Okay, so it is the limitation of ChatGPT. See, it says it is important to note that the latest information on ChatGPT I have is from 2021. Right. So if you ask anything letter to that, it will not going to answer it or it will answer inappropriately. Okay. The instructions it provide will not be correct if you are asking something after 2021. Right. So it is the limitation of ChatGPT. So this is the conversation from our last video. So let's create a new chat. Okay. So instead, we can either select any of these options, okay. Or we can type our own. So let's proceed with our own. So let us say, please suggest me top 10 topics on my cricket news website. Okay, you can hit enter or simply click on this. And you can see here it is generating 10 popular topics for us. And it will give us complete reply within 10 to 15 seconds. So you are actually getting this much of ideas or this much of important topics for your website in just around 15 seconds approximately. Okay, so see match previews and reports, player profiles, etc., right? Now, if you like any topic, you can just ask that, hey, expand. Topic number, let us say 7. Cricketing records and milestones. OK. Hit enter. And now it will explain, OK. Or it will give actually a complete article on this particular topic. OK. See. You are actually getting this much of information at free of cost. It is explaining us the records for Test cricket. OK. Or also recent record for ODIs, etc. OK. So you can use ChatGPT to generate any kind of content. For example, if you want to create a book for, let's say, kids, so you can ask ChatGPT to first suggest you the topics to be covered in that book. And then you will also ask ChatGPT to write complete chapters on each of the topic. Okay, it will do that, and for any reason. If you need more details you can ask for, or if you are not satisfied with the response, you can always have an option to click on Regenerate Response. Okay? Now, if we move to the top, you can see we have an edit option as well. So instead of typing complete sentence again, what we can do is we can simply change the topic. We can edit it OK. So instead of cricket, we can type, let's say, comedy. OK. Now ChatGPT will suggest us the different response. OK, so if you do not want further details, you can always use Stop Generating Response. OK, if this much of information is what you are looking for and it is sufficient for you, you can click on Stop Generating Response. OK. Now here you can see we have a chat history. OK. So if you want to delete any of it, you can always select it and then click on Delete option. Or if you want to clear complete chat history, all of these, then you can always go to your account and click on Clear Conversations. OK, so for now I am deleting this one. OK. Delete. Deleted. OK, done. So this is the basic use of ChatGPT. Now you can do more with it. For example, let us say suggest title for my YouTube video on, let's say, Carly. OK, hit enter. OK, so here we have got the title suggestions, right? So let me click on Stop Generation. OK. Now let us say, give me description for number. Let's say second mastering Kali Linux. Hit enter. And now it will also provide you the video description. OK. So it is providing you title, description, title suggestions, and then the video description as well. Right. You can also ask ChatGPT to give me an SEO-friendly description. For the same, hit enter. And now this time, ChatGPT will actually use keywords which are similar or related to your topic directly. OK, it will also help you to rank higher in the list. Right. So you can ask ChatGPT these kind of things in detail, right? Now let's explore some more things in ChatGPT. So first of all, click on New Chat. And let us say give me 10 topics for my ebook on healthy living. So here we have a list of all the 10 topics that we have asked for. Now, let's say you want to create a chapter on first point, that is Introduction to Healthy Living. So we can type, let us say, write long chapter 4. Topic 1. Hit enter. And we are getting a reply right now. This is the standard reply which we are getting. So let me first stop generating. Now here let us say if I go here and let us say we added this, okay. And if I say write long chapter for topic 1. In education. Tone. Okay. In educational way. So now it will generate slightly different reply okay than its standard version, because we have defined that we are looking for a description for particular topic in educational tone. Right? See, it is generating a different response. Okay. The style and the statement which we are seeing is different from that of standard way. Okay. So let me do stop generating response. You can have a look on it. And if we say let us say this time, let us say we want the reply in satirical tone, okay. So now it will generate a description in a funnier way. Okay. It is like using a small amount of comedy in your chapter description. Okay. See. Now, if you want, you can compare both the educational tone response and satirical tone response with this standard response, and you can easily guess the difference between all these three responses, right? So we can ask ChatGPT that we need description on a particular topic in a particular tone. Okay. In a particular format or in a particular style. So in the next video you will see how we can change or get a new reply from ChatGPT with the style we want. In this video, you will learn how you can change the style of the response we get from ChatGPT. So first click on New Chat and let's say if I type, give me 3 titles for YouTube channel about. Let's say, traveling. So here we have 3 titles. Okay. Now give me 5 video titles. For this channel. That is for the same channel. Let us say in a funny way. Okay, so you can read them. Like awkward encounters abroad. Okay, so it is actually giving a response in a funnier way. In a comedy way. Okay. So if we want to change this style, let's say give me 10 video titles for this channel in a creative way. This time we asked for creative way, so you can see we are getting a different reply. So if you read both of these replies, you can easily note the difference between the two, right? So this way you can change styles of the responses we get as per our needs. In this video, you will see how ChatGPT will help you to create a professional cover letter for a position you are applying for. So we have to write a professional cover letter for a, let us say, Linux admin position in a company. Called, let us say, Facebook. OK. Now, this is sufficient for ChatGPT to write a professional cover letter, but it will need some more information from you. Like your name and what you know about this particular job. OK, so my name is Adam Smith. OK. And I know all the basics required for the job. OK, hit enter and let's wait. So, you can always edit this information. OK? Now you can see in the very first paragraph it is actually writing your introduction and you are interested for this position. OK. So in the first para it is covering all the basic introduction information. And then in this second and let us say third it is describing your capabilities, OK. And your prior experience if you have any. And in the last paragraph it is saying OK, in the last, second, last or the third last paragraph it is saying that it is actually answering to the basic questions that what your capabilities can bring the company. OK. What kind of things or how you can help the company. OK. On your personal level and in the last paragraph, it is saying that you are open to discuss about your further qualifications or further skills you have. Right. So you are open for the interview and you can show your skills or prove your knowledge if you have given a chance in the interview. OK, so this is a professional cover letter for a Linux admin position in a company. OK, so this way you can use ChatGPT to generate a professional cover letter for yourself. In this video, you will learn how you can ask ChatGPT to suggest you titles for your YouTube channels and also the complete script for a video. So let's type. Give me, let us say, 5 video titles for my YouTube channel that reviews, let us say, smartphones. Hit enter. And now let's wait. OK. So we have got 5 titles, OK. Ultimate Smartphone Showdown. The top 5 flagship phones of 2023. OK, so we will proceed with the very first option. Now we will ask ChatGPT to give us the complete script so that we can create a video based on this title. OK. So for this we have to ask ChatGPT to write the script. For number 1, hit enter and let's wait for the reply. OK. As you can see here in the reply, it is saying that opening scene host standing in front of a table with 5 smartphones displayed. OK, so it is actually providing us a complete script, but it will also suggesting us what we can do to make this video more attractive. OK. What is our role? What kind of images we can add? Right. You can see after each paragraph it is suggesting us something. OK, like cut to close-up shots of each smartphone as the host introduces them one by one. OK, now Okay. At the end, you can see ChatGPT is clever enough to mention that. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our epic showdown results. Right? So see, it is the very good reply from the ChatGPT, and we can really make a complete video based on this particular script. Okay, so now you might be thinking that ChatGPT will help us to do anything we want. Okay, but that's not true. ChatGPT has its own limitations. Okay, so let me give you some warnings about ChatGPT. For example, never copy complete content from ChatGPT and paste it as it is anywhere else. Okay, because there are millions of people using ChatGPT, okay? And there are high chances that the query you are searching or the prompts you are asking some other person from different corner of the world will asking same thing, okay, and ChatGPT will give this similar results to all of them, right? So it is not a good idea to copy and paste anything as it is. What you can do is you can copy the content, understand it, make some changes, okay, or create your own sentences based on that, okay, and then use it. My second advice is always double-check whatever reply you are getting from the ChatGPT. Please check it again manually. Okay. And the last tip is you must be specific and narrow down your query so you can get the exact output, what you are looking for. Okay, and there are high chances. If your query is narrow, then you will get a unique reply. Okay. So these are some of the tips and tricks for the ChatGPT. In this course, you have learned about the basic prompts in ChatGPT. Now let's talk about some of the advanced prompts. So let me create one. Let's say we want ChatGPT to write a complete blog post based on the topic. How to create an online course. Okay. So this will be our topic. Right. Now, the next thing is for audience. Or let me type the same thing in the notepad first and then I will copy and paste it. Okay. So topic: how to create an online course. For audience, specify the kind of role you want to play, let's say health coach. Okay, then we will ask for the content. So in content, we want how to plan a course, comma, how to record the content, comma, and how to market the course. On social media. Okay. See, it is a very clear and advanced prompt. Now we are specific about what we want, okay. So just copy this and paste it here. Hit enter. Now let's wait for the reply. Here, it will give us a complete blog post as the output. So we have got a detailed output here. You can see it says here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an online course, including planning, content creation, and marketing. So you can define your course goals and audience at the very first step. Okay, then outline your course structure. Select your content format, like it could be video, lectures, presentations, written materials, audio recordings, or a combination. Right? Then you can create and record your course content. Then you have to choose an online course platform. It has also explained some of them, like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy. Right? Then build your course. Upload your recorded content to the chosen course platform, organize your lessons, set up quizzes, assignments, etc. Then you have to set pricing and payment options. Then you have to create a course landing page. It is a very important part, okay? If you want, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you a script for your course landing page. Okay. And at last, market your course on social media. Okay. It is very important to know that where your target audience is active, whether it is Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. Right. So you can see how good it is when you are sure about what you need. Okay, so let's see one more example, and let me create one more advanced prompt. So let's say this time our topic will be how to grow YouTube channel. Okay, and we need ChatGPT to write a blog post on the above topic. Okay. And while writing blog post, ChatGPT must use, let's say, H2 tags. Okay. Give some examples. Then ask questions. And at last include conclusion. Okay. So just copy this and paste it. Hit enter. And now again, let's wait for the reply. Okay, you can see it says title: How to Grow Your YouTube Channel Strategies for Success First. It's giving us the introduction. Then it says create high quality and engaging content, right? Then it's using the H2 tags as we have asked it to do so. Right. So you can see quality content is the key. Consistency matters. You have to use effective title tags and descriptions. If you don't know anything, just ask ChatGPT to suggest some of them. Okay. Then select the proper thumbnails and video length. Engage your audience. It is a very important thing. Okay, so by responding to the comments you receive from your audience, you can encourage interactions. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers as well. Then you can promote your channel outside of the YouTube. Like you can use the power of social media, okay? Or you can collaborate with influencers and bloggers. And at the end, we have got the conclusion, okay? So see, it has provided us all the things which we have asked for. Okay, so this way you can use ChatGPT to get what you are actually looking for. Okay, so suppose. Let's say this one. Third point. Suppose you are not able to understand what ChatGPT is suggesting you to do. Okay, in number 3. So you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite number 3 in very simple terms. Hit enter, and now ChatGPT will rewrite the same thing, but this time in a very simple way so that anyone can understand it easily. Okay, see, it says connect through comments and interactions. Team up with others, so you can see the language it has given, it has used. When we asked to rewrite it in a simple terms, this time it is very easy to understand. Okay, so if at any point you are not able to understand the reply of the ChatGPT, you can ask it to rewrite it the same thing in a very simple terms.